Okay, so I'm going to go over 4.9.5 lab. All right, so step one, it says from the corp server. So we're already in the corp server and the networking computer. So it says move our mouse over the network icon in the notification area. This is the notification area down here to the right. And if I hover over the network, it shows me corpnet.local. And now it wants me to go into the network and internet settings. You can do so by right-clicking here and going to settings. You could have also get to it right here, which is easier. Just click on that since we are already over there. Click on network and internet settings, and here we are. All right, so you can see right here that we are Ethernet external, and we have access to the outside. Step 3, they want us to ping the ISP, which is the internet service provider. And we need to locate the IP address, and then we need to answer question 1. And then they want us to ping it. So the first thing we're going to do right now is we're going to look at exhibits, which is a network diagram of everything that's on the network, the devices, and what their IP addresses are. Right up here, it says the internet service provider and internet, and it's right here, 198.282.254. We're going to go right over here. We're going to go, what is the IP address of the ISP? I'm going to click down, and it's going to be 198.282.254. All right. Now we are going to, I'm going to minimize this. Make sure don't hit Score Lab. Minimize. I'm going to close this out. I'm going to go over here. I'm going to right click and I'm going to open Windows PowerShell Admin. All right. So when I'm in here, the last thing in step 3, they want us to ping that address. So I cannot remember it. I don't know about you, but I don't remember it. So I'm going to pop over here and I'm going to type in this address right here. So ping 198.28.2.254. Press enter and you can see that I am getting a reply back. So we are getting out to that device that has that IP address. All right, so now we're going to go to step 4. Use the ipconfig and tracert commands to find the devices used to access the internet service provider. All right, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to do ipconfig all. And then press enter. Now we're going to locate and examine the vEthernet external. So we're going to go up here and we need to find, here's the vEthernet internal, but let's go up to external right here. And it says, is the DHCP enabled? No, that means that it is not getting its IP address from a DHCP server. That means it's a static IP that never changes, which would make sense because if you don't want your devices or your servers, the IP addresses change. It'll mess up your system. Your default, your subnet mask 255.255.255. That's right. The IPv4 192.168.0.10, which matches the instructions. And then the default gateway is this 192.168. Okay, so from the PowerShell prompt, so at the bottom here, okay, so right here at the bottom, they want us to do a tracert. So put this upload, TRACERT, tracert, and then we need to put an IP address, 198.28.2.254. When we hit enter, this shows us how many hops and what devices that it's like sending a ping, but we're getting a response. We're getting more information back when we do a tracert. So we're sending out the data. It's coming back. It's telling us that it went to this device that has this IP address. Then it went to this device, then this one, then this one. All right. So now, since we know this, it says, how many hops did it take to access the internet service provider? It took 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're gonna add 4. And then step 3, it says, from the top right, select exhibits, answer question 3. Okay, so question 3 is, what's the name of the device accessed on the third hop? So since we know, they want us to know what's the name of the device, the third hop. So we're going to go 3 over here, 198.28.56.18. So we need to find whatever device has this number, the 18. All right, I'm going to minimize this so I can see it. 198, that's one, okay. 5617, that's not it, over here. 198.28.56.18. That matches that third hop. The name of the device is PF Sense. So we're going to go here to the answer questions, and we're going to click PF Sense. All right, I'm not going to score this lab, I don't believe. Not yet. Close the exhibits window. All right, here, let me minimize this. I'm going to close that exhibit window. All right, step 5, from the executive office. So let's go to floor 1 overview. The executive office, check the status of the link in network activity light. So from the top left, select floor 1 overview. Okay, we already did that, floor 1 overview. We are at the executive office, and let's go to the hardware. They want us to go to the back of the stage of the workstation. And they want us to look right here where the network cable is connected. I'm going to browse out here a little bit more. And they want us to see if we want to see if there are lights blinking. So but click back, the link on and blinking. This means that there's physical connection, that it should be working. Now it says verify the connectivity on the exec workstation. So we are going to click inside here into the computer, and we are going to, all right, so on exec, let me make sure I'm on the right. Exec office, exec. Okay, yeah, so we're in here. All right, now they want us to do in the notification area, mouse over the network icon. So right here, you can see right here that it is not connecting to the outside network. You can see if you hover over it, it says unidentified, no internet access. We're going to go into the network and internet settings, but I'm not going to go over to the where it says click start settings. I'm going to go to it right here since we're already over here. Click network and internet settings. And then the network set, it confirms that there is no connection here as well. All right, so I'm gonna close this out, and I'm gonna open up Windows PowerShell, right click, Windows PowerShell admin. And from the PowerShell prompt, again, I'm doing step 6, and right now I'm down at 6F. I'm sorry, 6G. I'm gonna ping exec. So I'm gonna go ping exec and press enter. All right, so I am getting a reply back from that. Now I'm gonna ping corp server, and you can see that the request timed out. So I'm not getting anything back from corp server. All right, now for the PowerShell, they want us to do ipconfig space /all. All right, so the following is showing, let's see, oops. DHCP is not entered, so that means it has a static IP on here. And the IP address 255.255.255.240. So it's on some kind of subnet. And the default gateway is 192.168.0.4. All right, so the information that we give, it provided clues to the problem. The network is using a DHCP. So, but this is but this workstation is not set up to accept a IP address from the DHCP. So, and also the subnet mask, you could, if you remember from our other computer, it was 255.255.255.0. So this right here is wrong as well. So these look like a settings to where if this computer was on a different network. All right, so we need to fix, so step 7, we need to fix the subnet mask for the exec computer. So right now we're gonna right click start and go to settings. We're gonna go to network and internet. And right here where it says Ethernet, click on that. And over here, we're gonna do change adapter options. All right, they want us to right click on Ethernet, this just plain Ethernet, not the Ethernet 2. Right click on this one, go down to properties. We're going to go down to IPv4 properties, and you can see here's those settings that we just looked at, that IP config all. You can see that it is static, and they want us to change. So they want us to change the subnet mask. They don't want that 240 in. They just want the 255.255.255. And let's see, select, and then they want us to click OK. So that's the only thing they want us to change here. Let's click OK. I'm going to go back over here. I'm going to open up PowerShell admin. I'm going to ping 198.28.2.254, press enter, and I'm still not getting out. So it's still unsuccessful. So from the PowerShell prompt, we're going to do a tracer. We're going to see where this information is going to, because this will give us a clue to what device is stopping us from getting out there. Oh, it's not giving us any information. Okay, it times out. So that means that the gateway address on exec is not configured correctly. The gateway of the router, address router on the network diagram is 192.168.0.5. I'm reading off the instructions in step 7 right now. So 7J, it's telling us that the gateway address is wrong. So let's go look over here. Let's go to properties. And the gateway address 192.168.0. This says 04. Okay, so we need steps 8. We need to change that to the correct gateway. Let's change this to 5. So remember, if your computers, for your computers to work on a network, they all will have different IP addresses, but they will all have the same subnet. They will all have the same default gateway. Everything else will be the same. Otherwise, they won't be able to communicate. All right, so I'm going to select OK on this. And as soon as I did that, if you look down here, you can see that world symbol. That means y'all wasn't connected. It changed, and if I hover, you can see it says corpnet.local internet access. So now from the PowerShell, if we do ping 198.28.2.254, we press enter, you can see we get a reply back. Obviously, if we see this that we're getting out, we would know it's, you're either connected to the network or not. This is just showing you a more in-depth way to check those things. All right, so also they want to do a tracer. So let's see all the devices that this is going to. Hey, did I just type in something wrong? Tracer 19.198.28.2. Oh, I typed it in wrong. Okay. So that should have worked. Tracer 198.28.2.254. Missed. There we go. So these are the hops. Here's the IP addresses. All right, so that's all working. Step 9, from Office 1, we need to troubleshoot for network connectivity. So let's go to Floor 1 Overview. Under Office 1, we're going to go to Hardware. Above the workstation, we're going to click on Back. And we can see right here that we do have connectivity. There are lights blinking. So there's a physical connection. let's see. The lights are on and blinking. There's a physical connection, but there's no activity on the connection. All right. So we're gonna go into the monitor, we're gonna go into the computer itself, and you can see down here that we are not connected here. Okay, so if I hover over, it says no internet access. And they want us to go right into the PowerShell admin. So let's right click, PowerShell admin. And we're gonna do ipconfig all. ipconfig all, press enter. We're going to examine the information for the Ethernet network card and note the following. Okay, so let's go back up. The Ethernet card right here. DHCP is enabled. So that tells it the workstation is used to work for the DHCP server. The address, IP address for 169.254.201. Okay, so that is within the range. And the subnet mask is 255.255.0.0. Default gateway, the address is blank. That's not good. There needs to be something in there. And then DHCP line is not showing. Okay. And it's not shown since it's enabled. The rest of the information should have came from, okay, so all of that should have been, because it's DHCP, it should have automatically came from the main server. So there's a problem here. So step 10, let's see. That there's an issue with the DHCP server. All right, step 10, from Corp server, access the Corp DHCP server. So we're gonna go to floor 1. We're gonna go to the Corp server right here in the network closet, Corp server. Okay. Where is my Corp server? Oh, I'm back over here. Okay, yeah, because we were working on it earlier. I was like, why is this up already? All right, that's fine. So I am going to get out of this, minimize. I'm going to go right here where it says Hyper-V. Manage, let's see, Hyper-V. We're going to click on Corp server. I'm going to maximize this. And then I'm going to double click on copy Corp DHCP. So double click on that to open it. I'm going to maximize it so I can see everything. I'm going to expand the Corp DHCP .corp. All right. So from this server, we're going to go to tools. And then we're going to go down to DHCP. Under here, we're going to expand. Then we're going to go to IPv4. And it says, notice that the folder icon for scope 192.168.0.17.1 has a down arrow indicating that the DH is not active. Okay, yes, there's a little red here that's saying this is not active. Right click, let's right click the subnet and we are going to activate it. All right, now from Office 1, let's check to see if that fixed it. Office 1. Office 1, we're going to click on Office 1, the main computer, and we're going to go over here and it looks like, let's see. All right, so we have to renew because we need to like tell the server, hey, you need to fix this computer. So we're going to release all the information that was given to this computer and have the server repopulate the information. So we are going to go type in ipconfig /renew. Press enter. Okay. Now it says, notice that the line for the default gateway DNS server is our DNS server, corpnet.local. All right, is now within the scope. All right, 192.168.0.31. All right, so now from here, we're going to ping corp server. And we are getting a reply. And then from the PowerShell prompt, they want us to ping the ISP, which if you notice down here, we're still not getting out to the internet. So let's see what this says. See if it's reaching that ISP router or server. I press enter, and you can see that we are not getting out to the internet service provider's device. So although we can get to our server, which is within our network, so that would make sense. We're on our network, we're able to get to that, but we're still not able to get outside. So it says review the output from the IP config command. Notice that the default gateway does not match the default gateway on the corp server or exec. Since this IP information is coming from DHCP server, you will need to check the DHCP scope. All right, so if we do another IP, I'm sorry, IP configs /all. All right, so right here, so the DHCP scope is different from the corp server. So we got to go fix that on the corp server. So step 13 on the corp server. So let's go over there. And remember, we're still in DHCP. We haven't gotten out of any of that. So from corp server, we're in the DHCP console. We're going to expand 192.168.0.1 subnet 1. So we're going to expand this. We are going to right click on scope options. And then we're going to click on configure options. We're going to highlight 003 router. Okay, so we're going to click on that. So just make sure it's chosen. And then under the IP address, select 192.168.0.2 and remove it. And then in the IP address field, change the address to 192.168.0.5 and click add. Select OK. All right, now step 14, let's go back to that core Office 1. And we are going to renew this IP address again, since we made a change on the server. IP config space /renew. Okay, so it looks like it changed it to this, and you can see as soon as we made that change and renewed, what do we have? We have internet connection down here. So we can see that. It tells us to, type IP config all, press enter. It's just notice that the default gateway, which is right here, changed to the 168.0.5. And then if you pinged the ISP, now again, I'm not doing it because they really can't tell if you do it or not. But if we ping that, of course, we would get to it now. But we already knew we were getting to it because we have internet connection. All right, so step 15 on exec. On exec, reconfigure the Ethernet connection to use DHCP. So we're gonna go to the exec office. We're gonna go to the computer. We're gonna right click, start, go to settings. We're gonna click on change adapter options. We're gonna right click Ethernet. We're gonna go down to properties. This is the other stuff, you know, pinging and going and changing the DHCP server and creating rules in the DHCP server. If you're not going to be doing, cybersecurity would possibly do things like that. Network admin, yes, you could do things like that. But more commonly you would get in, this is right here, knowing how to get into the network adapter and making these changes. If you don't get anything else from out of this chapter, that you know how to get into the Ethernet settings and set up the IP address, default gateway, or make it DHCP. So we're gonna click on that. We're gonna click on properties. And they want us to obtain an IP address automatically, and they want us to obtain a DNS address automatically. We're going to click OK. And we're going to click close. And they want us to right click, go to PowerShell admin. They want us to do an IP config /all. Press enter. And it should say now that the DHCP is enabled, which we already knew that because we enabled it. Now let's do a tracer, see that it is getting out, which we kind of already know it is because we have internet connection. So we're going to click out, and we have, we went through the ISP. All right, so that is it. Let's go ahead and click up here to answer questions, and we're going to score this lab. And I hope I did everything right. 8 out of 8. Okay. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.